Hello, today we're going to be learning how to crochet a bookmark with fringe. The materials you are going to be needing is 50 grams of a worsted weight yarn, a tapestry needle, a pair of scissors, a 6mm crochet hook, To get started, we're going to begin with a slip knot. Then we're going to put our hook in the slip knot and begin with 5 chains. After you chained 5, we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. After you single crochet in the second chain from the hook, you're going to single crochet in the next 3 chains. After you finish there, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet in the next 4 stitches of the row. You're just going to keep chaining 1, turning your work, and single crocheting until your work is long enough. Next, we're going to be cutting the yarn and fastening off. Next, we're going to be adding some fringe. So you're going to stick your crochet hook into one of your stitches, cut some yarn however long you want. I just cut mine a couple of inches. You're going to loop it over your crochet hook, pull it through, and sort of make a slip knot with it. I did this for every stitch I have on my bookmark. Then you're just going to be cutting all the fringe to the same size. Then we're just going to be weaving in that tail, and your project is finished. I hope you had fun. Thanks for crocheting with me.